Hi friends, very good morning all of you. Welcome back to CAP classes. So the much awaited important notification for Jan cycle examinations, which is continuation of November this year exam, which is going to be conducted in next year Jan and February. The notification is released by ICA on 11th December 2020, that means yesterday. So we are sitting on 12th December 2020. So this notification is received late evening yesterday. So just read this out. My intention of coming in front of you with this video again is twofold. First one is to inform you about this important announcement, which I am sure many of you might have already completed, reading it. The second and most important thing is the much awaited study plan and test series, which usually I give free of cost in my social media and my website and CAP classes app. I have prepared again one free study plan for you, which I am going to share, and I'll tell you how it goes and all. Okay, so let us start with notification, and then I'll give you information about the free study plan and test series to help you in accelerating your preparation for Jan examinations. So first, let us see this important announcement by ICA. Schedule of CA examinations Jan-Feb 2021. In reference to the announcement dated 19th November, it is notified for general information that next Chartered Accountant examinations for the students who have opted out from November 20 examinations and opted for Cycle 2, which is to be scheduled from 21st Jan to 7th Feb, are as given below. The details as given below. Foundation examinations are going to start from 21st of Jan. So if you are a CA foundation student, remember your examination dates 21, 23, 25, 28. What are the examination dates? 21, 23, 25, 28. If you are intermediate course old syllabus student, that means IPCC student, your group 1 examinations are to be conducted from 22nd onwards, 22, 24, 27, 29. And group 2 examinations 1, 3, 5 of February. In February 1, 3, 5 you will write group 2 IPCC old syllabus exams. And if you are a new syllabus student, CA intermediate new syllabus students, your exams are starting on same date, 22nd, 22, 24, 27, 29, group 1, same dates, no change. In second group, because you have one more paper, IPCC has 7 papers, in group 2 they have only 3 papers, you have 4 papers. So then you have to write the examination on 1st, 3rd, 5th, and one more last FM and Echo examination will be held on 7th February 2021. Similarly, if you are final student, your exams are starting on 21st. Always usually foundation and final exams start on the same day. Next day intermediate exams will start. So ICA followed the same pattern like how they have been conducting examinations. So final course exam under old syllabus 21, 23, 25, 28, and group 2 30th Jan, 2nd, 4th, 6th February, and there are no changes in the examination dates for old syllabus and new syllabus because there are 8 papers, 4. So even if you are new syllabus student or old syllabus student, your examination dates are group 1 21, 23, 25, 28, and for group 2 30th Jan, 2nd, 4th, 6th February 2021. Okay, this is what the timetable is. Now, do you remember few days back when we are discussing about the announcement which ICA released for opting out? If you want to opt out, you can do so. This opting out notification, when this has come, many students called me, messaged me through all the possible ways. They contacted me asking, Pavan sir, will the exams really happen in Jan? If you remember, you can watch my previous video also. If you remember, I said there is more likely chance that ICA will conduct examination. Definitely, I cannot assure 100%, but I believe personally that ICA will conduct examination. This is what I told. But many students across the country, they were still in dilemma because some of the faculty, they clearly said that it is a trap of ICA. Now they are asking you to opt out. After examinations, they will not conduct exam in Jan. They will say Jan exams are merged with May exams. Then what will you do? This could be your personal opinion. I respect it. Everybody has their own opinions. But the point is, how many students are affected because of this? How many students? But finally, ICA has given the examination schedule. They are going to conduct the exam. So there were so many questions asked during the examinations, before the examinations, okay, about how ICA is conducting exams, that this, that and all. Now everything is history. ICA conducted exams. God is so kind, without any problem. So everything is peaceful. Examinations are conducted properly. There is no damage. And those students who wanted to write the exams, they are like, thank God my exams are over. Those students who opted out because of some reason or the other, could be because of COVID reason or containment zone, now you have a golden opportunity. You have another 40 days almost to prepare. You have 40-50 days almost to prepare to the next examination. So again, as I have been instructing you or suggesting you, or at least requesting you, please do not carry away with negativity, or there is no point of developing hatredness on the system or on the ICA or on the examination pattern or on the evaluation pattern. So many students started asking me, you are a ranker, you passed 15 years back, that is the reason you are supporting ICA, but ICA is screwing up the students. I told all of them, ICA never wants to cut any student into pieces. The examination pattern is like this. You become tougher, and I tell you, there will be golden opportunity once you clear this course. So step 1, again my suggestion is, start your preparation with all the positive mind. Pray the God, whoever whatever the belief system you follow, whatever the religion you follow, pray God, ask him for strength, ask him for consistency, ask him for discipline. Just sit and start your preparation. That's all. That's all. So you don't need to get carried away with all this unnecessarily negative news about ICA or the examination pattern or the evaluation pattern or COVID pandemic and all. Please do not take anything, let nothing disturb you. So properly prepare. Jan exams are going to happen. The notification, I am very happy because it has given clarity to students. Okay, students, they are not suffering because of their questions. Their questions are borrowed or injected by some others. Their questions are injected by some others. So finally the certainty came. So what are we supposed to do now? Prepare, prepare, prepare. To help you in the preparation, I have prepared one study plan, one for CA Inter Group 1 students, one for CA Inter Group 2 students, one for CA Inter both the group students, one for CA IPCC Group 1 students, one plan for CA IPCC Group 2 students, one plan for both the group students. So you can see that, at the bottom here, if you can see here, CA Inter Group 2, CA Inter Group 1, CA IPCC Group 1, CA IPCC Group 2, okay, and then CA Inter both the groups. So are you able to say this? This is CA Inter both the groups, this is CA Inter Group 1, this is CA Inter Group 2, CA IPCC both the groups, IPCC Group 1, IPCC Group 2, and all these things are going to help you in your preparation. Okay, now as a student, what I have followed, as a lecturer, what I teach the students to follow is same. If you remember, I have given this example many times. If I give apple to you, if you want to eat apple, you cannot swallow apple in one gulp, in one go. What you are supposed to do? You need to cut it into pieces. And then happily take one piece after the other, enjoy. That's all. So subject also is to be cut into some pieces. So look here, the schedule is going to start tomorrow, 13th December. Okay, one schedule is starting with today's date also, 12th December also. One schedule is starting from 13th December. If you have any numerical sentiment that Pavan sir, 13 is not a good number for me, 13 is a bad sign. Some of the people will have 13 as a bad sign. That could be because of your belief system or religion. So I respect it. If you are not comfortable preparing your study plan on 13th, my dear friends, start today evening. Why don't you open book and start your preparation? From tomorrow you continue with this. So today you start your preparation. Don't say, Pavan sir, I will not do from 13th, I will do from 14th. No, Don't waste one day also. Don't waste time. So either start the plan today or start the plan tomorrow afresh in the morning. You understand? So how I have done, just as an example I am giving you. Here can you see accounting? Here can you see accounting? Again here can you see accounting? Again here can you see accounting? Here again can you see accounting? Here can you see accounting? Again here accounting. Again here accounting. That's it. So what is the starting date? Starting date is 13th December. Starting is 13th December. Okay, and the preparation, your study plan is ending on 19th Jan. But Pavan sir, exams are from 21st only. But I have given enough time to revise also. Look here, revision and backlog. 1 day is given here, revision and backlog. 3 days are given here, revision and backlog. Again 1 day is given here, revision and backlog. Again 1 day is given here. So you will be perfectly exam ready. You will be ready for the exam 100%. So we are starting our preparation tomorrow, and we will stop this study plan just 1 day, 2 days before the exam, and then the last day you will completely be focusing on the accounts exam. 1 day before the exam. No? So if you observe, I have cut account syllabus into 10 pieces. Any single day you take, it will be so stress free. For example, see this 1 day. What is the syllabus you are preparing? You are preparing for hire purchase installment sale, insurance claim. 24 hours of day. 24 hours of day. You are preparing hire purchases, installment sale, insurance claim. How comfortable it will be? Will there be any stress? No. Zero stress. If you cannot handle this also, my dear friend, I am telling you, sorry to say, you are not ready for exam. You should be tough. In 1 day, you should be able to complete this easily. Then on the next day for accounting, just you need to do investment accounts and departmental accounts. How simple it will be. Investment accounts, departmental accounts, both are small topics. You can complete. Then even if you take costing and FM also, costing and financial management, CFM also, or costing and management accounting, whatever you call. So here, introduction to costing and management accounting, cost sheet. That's all. First one is theory, second one is cost sheet, very easy topic. So every day I ensured that I will cut the subject into 10 small pieces so that it will not stuck inside your throat when you are eating it. Small pieces. For small babies, you mix Farex and then you put no. So you must be able to do it like this. So again, what is the summary of the plan? The plan is we are starting preparation today or tomorrow morning. 1 day, 2 days, till 1 day, 2 days before the exam, we will follow this study plan. If you are a single group student, welcome, you have a plan. If you are both the group students, welcome, you have a plan. If you are old syllabus students, we have a plan. If you are new syllabus students, we have a plan. We have a plan. So if you are doing, say for example, both the groups, if you are doing both the groups, Pavan sir, I am writing both the groups. For both the groups also, if you see, this is still manageable. So look here, you are doing CFM, for example, cost and management accounting, same costing introduction you are doing and cost sheet. Here what you are doing is, in auditing, first and third chapters or first and second chapters in the new syllabus you are doing nature and objective and scope of the audit and audit strategy, planning and audit program. Simple. For this 3 to 4 hours, for that 3 to 4 hours. Comfortably you can prepare. And law, if you see the next day, that is 15th December, as an example I am showing you here, preliminary incorporation of company and matters incidental thereto. How simple this is in company law. Preliminary aspects and incorporation of company. Simple aspect. Here EIS, automated business processing, which is one chapter. Which is just one chapter. You understand? So for this give 4 hours, for that give 4 hours. So if you are both groups, if you are a student preparing for both the groups, take my word, you should plan your day to have 8 to 10 hours. Which is little difficult, I am telling you. 1 day, 2 days, studying 8 hours, 10 hours is easy. But consistently doing for 50 days, my dear friends, I am telling you, you need to have a lot of determination, discipline and dedication. And trust me, if you follow this timetable, if you follow this for 50 days, definitely you'll pass. Definitely. If this plan doesn't work, as far as my idea, my knowledge, my consciousness is concerned, my brain is concerned, there cannot be a better plan than this. There cannot be a better plan than this. If this doesn't work, nothing works for you. So if you are single group student, plan your day with a minimum 5 hours. Pavan sir, I want to study more. Welcome. Happily study more. Who asked you not to study? Pavan sir, single group, I want to study 7-8 hours. Happily you can. But what I am saying is, within 4 to 5 hours, you will be able to complete the topic allocated for the day. Whatever the topic I am asking you to read, that you will be able to complete within 4 hours, within 5 hours maximum. If you are both the group student, plan your day to have 8 to 10 clock hours for study. 8 to 10 hours for study. If you are a single group student, 4 to 5 hours. Above that, more also you can read. You understand? And when this revision and backlogs slots are given, 1 day, 2 day, 3 days, sometimes 3 days I have given, sometimes 1 day I have given, sometimes 2 day I have given. So please use that for revising all the topics. Say for example, here one revision is there, here one revision is there. So in between these two, whatever you have read, so these are the topics. In between the two, these are the topics. So what all you have read in this 4-5 days: income from house property, PGBP, accounts from incomplete records, profits and losses prior to incorporation, overhead and ABC, overheads and ABC, then registration of charges, management admin, then capital gains, other sources, set of carry forward. These are the topics you have read in that 5 days in between. If at all you feel like, Pavan sir, PGBP is such a big thing, Pavan sir, house property is also a big thing, Pavan sir, and also I am doing both the groups, Pavan sir, how can I complete that? Beta, if you cannot complete, we have backlog reserve days. In that reserve day you can complete this, and on the reserve day you can relax also, and nothing wrong if you want to take one cheat day. Pavan sir, I am a human being, I cannot work like a machine. So after 10-15 days, one day I want a cheat day, Pavan sir. I want to eat dilse, I want to eat pet bar, and then I want to enjoy sleep. You can do that. Continuously you can do that, do studying also. But one day in between somewhere you can take break also. But ensure that you will cover up that properly. Okay, as a student, when I was in school, when I was in first stage of +1, +2 college, I used to play cricket a lot. My mom taught me one thing, okay, you play cricket, I do not mind. You play cricket, I do not mind. You happily go. You like it, you do that. But never tell me that, mom, I will go play cricket and I will come back and then do homework. Never. This is not going to happen. Full stop. This is not going to happen. Full stop. If you want to go and play cricket, before that complete your homework, show it, throw the book on my face and then go. No problem. So my mom trained me to have a discipline of studies first. After that only games or your food or something. Sometimes she was harsh and strict enough to say, unless you complete this, don't come for lunch also, don't come for dinner also. There were days where my mom told this. I felt very bad that day, but today I feel like touching my mom's feet for injecting the discipline and positivity in me. That is required. So even if you want to do anything, you want to meet your friends, you want to hang out, you want to go and have a coffee, you want to have a walk, you want to listen to music, do anything which makes you happy, but first you should complete this topic, whatever allocated for the day. Complete that, then go and enjoy. No one will stop you. No one will stop you. So take a printout of this paper, paste it on the wall. Take a printout of this paper, paste it on the wall. Paste it on the wall. Then, without failing even a single day, read this back to back. Once you do 10 days, my dear friends, I'm telling you, this plan is for 40-50 days. 10 days you maintain your momentum. You read this along with this study material, you travel. You will get tremendous amount of confidence. You'll get tremendous amount of confidence. You feel like, yes, I'm able to do it. I'm able to do it. Even if you look here also, in advanced accounting also, or banking companies, NBFC one day, related topics. Then here strategic management, business level strategies, functional level strategies. Are LKG questions here. LKG questions. EIS, e-commerce, m-commerce, emerging technology, only one paper, only one chapter. Then audit and assurance, audit report and audit of items of financial statements. Both of them are easy. Audit report is little heavy topic but easy. Audit of items of financial statements, vouching and verification, you play football like Messi. FM and ECO, determination of national income, public finance, two topics. So I tried my maximum level best to cut your whole syllabus apple into equivalent and small, to the extent possible, small pieces to reduce the stress, because I know how much of the stress it is to prepare for CA exams. I know I have written enough exams in my life, okay, but God is kind, I have written all the exams only once. I cleared foundation interfinal, both CA and CMA in my first attempts, and I got ranks. But still I know the kind of preparation that is required in the backdrop before the exam. That is the reason, to help you to the maximum extent, I have tried to cut the apple into equivalent and small pieces so that you can enjoy chewing it. If this big apple is given, if you are trying to swallow it, you cannot enjoy that. Despite the fact that the apple is one of the best qualities apple, you cannot eat it. It is not the process. So what is the conclusion? My responsibility of helping you and preparing the study plan is over. Now it is your duty to move your body. I cannot use the other word. Move your body and run, boy, run. You understand? So with a single point agenda, you have to pass the exam in Jan attempt. There are no two outcomes. When you write the exam, there shouldn't be no two outcomes. Pavan sir, outcome 1 I will pass, outcome 2 I will fail. No. If you are writing exam, my attitude is outcome 1 I will pass, outcome 2 I will definitely pass. Or outcome 1 I will definitely pass, outcome 2 I'll definitely get a rank. Outcome 1 I'll get a rank, outcome 2 I'll definitely get a rank. That should be the attitude. That should be the attitude. If you are not going to pass, no one will pass. That should be your level of preparation. Let the paper be tough, you should pass. Let the paper be easy, you should pass. You understand? You understand? So be confident. Be confident. Remember this saying. If you cannot, who else can? If you cannot, who else can? Tell me. If you say, Pavan sir, I cannot do, then who can do? If you cannot, who else can? If not now, when will you? Then you say, Pavan sir, I will do it. When? 3 days before exam? No. Today your preparation has to start. Today. You understand? So please start your preparation for Jan exams with this study plan. I wish you all the very best. Any support you want, any support, you can contact me. For study plans or concentration related things and academic problems if you have. Okay, you can always write to me. My email ID is available, my phone number is available. Okay, so I wish you all the very best. May God bless you. Thanks for watching this, and please follow this timetable as it is. You will definitely pass the exam. And one more thing, now students will ask, Sare, study plan you have given, Sare. What about the test series? Test series also will be given to you through my app. Cap Classes, Android app and iOS app is there, no? Download that. Test series also, every day one question paper will be given. Every day one question paper will be given. You need to answer the exams. If you want to evaluation and counseling, that module also is available, like how I have been doing for the last so many attempts. We'll have 2 test series. Okay, one test series is free test series where question paper will be given to you every day. You will have to write the answers. You will evaluate it with the help of suggested answers. I will give you suggested answers, self-evaluation. Second type of test series is, I'll give you question paper, you write answers, scan it, send it to my email ID, relevant faculty. I'm not saying I will personally evaluate. If I'm telling that, it is like, okay, I will monitor it, I will monitor, I will see the quality and faculty, junior faculties, and they are also qualified people, and CA final people, cost accountants. So we have a team, academic team. Under my guidance, they will evaluate. We will write the comments and will help you in getting better marks. Okay, for this, normally we charge 299 rupees per subject for 8 exams. That means per exam, it is not even costing you 30-40 rupees. And mock exams also will be conducted. Mock exams also will be conducted. So please wait for the test series schedule. This is the schedule for your study plan, free study plan for CA IPSS students and CA intermediate students is given today. Test series probably maybe within 1-2 days I will announce it and I will put it in my social media handles and website and this app. Okay, please download Cap Classes app. In that you can access so many free resources as well. Lecture videos are there, study notes are there, handwritten notes are there, MCQ contests are there. Okay, MCQ big banks are there. Okay, so wish you good luck. Thank you so much. Loving you all. Bye.